It's another beautiful day here in New York City, and yes, I have my glasses on because I want you to see something. I want you to see that it's not only past 4 o'clock. I want you to see that it's not, that the markets are not only closed, but I also want you to see that it's happy hour here in New York City. And you know why? Because I'm listening to you, and I'm having a drink. U.S. stocks, they were mixed Tuesday afternoon, with the S&P 500 fluctuating after crossing 1900 for the very first time, as disappointing April retail sales were offset by an upward revision for the previous month. Now, retail sales, they rose 0.1% in the month of April, following a revised 1.5% jump in March, as expectations called for a 0.4% growth in April. Another report had business inventories rising 0.4% in March, in line with expectations. Meanwhile, there was a ton of activity on the corporate front as Whirlpool that fell after Longbow Research downgraded the appliance maker to neutral from buy. And Keurig Green Mountain rallying today after Coca-Cola increased its stake in the company, therefore making it Keurig Green Mountain's largest shareholder. Now, after rising to an intraday record of 16,735.51, the Dow Jones Industrial Average last up just 0.1%. The S&P 500 holding little changed after rising to 1,902.18. That's an intraday record and its first time above 1,900. And the Nasdaq that erased initial gains and was last down about 0.3%. Now, for every 7 shares rising, more than 8 fell over at the New York Stock Exchange this afternoon. And let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this volatile trading session. And now we conclude with one major story I will definitely touch on more during the day. Microsoft cutting the cost of its Xbox One gaming console by $100, therefore matching Sony PlayStation 4 after about just 6 months on the market. So there you have it. Kick back, relax. Yes, I know Brooklyn lost yesterday, but they can still beat the Heat in Miami. The odds are against them, but hey, you know what? Keep making fun of me. They're going to win. I hope. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.